Good evening, everyone. My name is Jukasa M. Uguban, and this is my report about Presidential Decree 1006. Um, these are just key aspects, and I already attached the files of Presidential Decree 1006 and RA 7836. Um, Professionalization of teaching. Declared teaching is a profession and established the requirements to practice it. The National Board for Teachers, or the NBT, created the NBT to oversee the certification and regulation of the teaching profession. Next is teacher certification, mandated that teachers must pass. Next is teacher certification, mandated that teachers must pass a board examination and hold a professional teacher certificate to teach in public and private elementary and secondary schools. Then, the qualifications and examination standards. Define the qualifications for applicants and set the passing score for the board examination. A general average of 70% with no rating below 50% in any subject. Regulatory powers. Granted the NBT the power to issue, suspend, and revoke teaching certificates. Goal: to improve the quality of teacher education, meet national development needs, and elevate the status of the teaching profession. And that's the key aspects of Presidential Decree 1006. Next is licensure examination. It mandates that all prospective teachers in elementary and secondary schools must pass a licensure examination, or the board licensure examination for professional teachers to be legally allowed to practice. Next is board for professional teachers. This board, a part of the PRC, is responsible for administering the licensure exam, issuing certificates and licenses, and setting the rules and regulations for the profession. Next is regulation of practice. The Act ensures that only qualified and licensed individuals can teach in Philippine schools, promoting responsibility and quality education. Penalties for violations. Engaging in teaching without a valid license or violating the provision of the Act can result in penalties, including fines and imprisonment. And now, let's discuss about the difference between um, Presidential Decree 1006 and RA 7836, or the 1976 Decree Professionalizing Teaching, and the 1994 Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act. Both regulated the teaching profession in the Philippines, but RA 7836 served to strengthen and update the profession through more specific requirements. Key differences include RA 7836 specified examination structure for elementary and secondary teachers. It's more detailed qualifications and the inclusion of grounds for revoking a license. Whereas Presidential Decree 1006 had unclear exam scopes and lacked details on revoking certificates. And that's all of my report. Thank you.